Hey yo, this is Poki Design Pro. Welcome to this episode of ArchiCAD. In this episode, we are going to look at how to create a door schedule. Here with me, this is a floor plan that I'd created a long time. But I finished to create or to tag my doors. So specifically for this episode, we are going to create a door schedule. A door schedule is basically a table listing all the doors in the project. You're showing their marker, that is the ID you gave them. For instance, I have my door 1, then door 2, door 3, just like that. Then also showing their sizes. You can talk about the materials. Then also fire resistance, you can also talk about them. So there is a lot you can add on in the schedules. You can show the location, the quantity. But these schedules help a lot. For instance, on site, they provide accuracy in construction, whereby you don't have to forge or to guess the exact sizes of the doors. And also they reduce on-site errors and costly reworks on site. Then also if you have to talk about the cost control and the BOQs, they help in preparing the BOQs, whereby they provide accurate takeoffs, pricing by contractors. Then in the software, for instance in ArchiCAD, they reduce on the time of work. For example, in case you make a change on door 1, it will automatically update itself, whereby you don't have to redo it the manual way. So basically that is an insight about the door schedule. Let us start right away. But before that, please don't forget to subscribe to this YouTube channel for more tutorials, and also to turn on your notifications for the daily updates. So we shall come to the project browser. We scroll down under schedules, we expand this. Then under elements still, shall expand this. I'm going to click on those schedules. I'll simply double tap on it. So this is the default schedule that ArchiCAD gives us. You can fit this to page by clicking on this. Then it will display all the doors that we have in our project. Then if you want to move it close, you simply come and adjust on the percentage. You put at 50 to move a little bit closer. So we can go with 100, the one that displayed at first. So you realize there's a lot of specifications for a certain type of door, and also a lot of words. But we need to customize and reduce on this so that we only have the ones we need to use. So how do I filter that? I'll simply come to the scheme settings. I'll click on the scheme settings. You make sure the ArchiCAD classification is in branch of doors, and then for this one it is not. That is okay. Then here you make sure it is under door schedule. So under the fields, this is where we have to filter all what we need. For instance, you can look at, we have the element ID, library part name, quantity, orientation, then fire resistance, rating, security rating. But we may not need all this. So I'll come from fire resistance to security rating. I hold on to shift, I click, then I remove this. View from the side, I don't need that, I'll remove. 2D plan view, that one I'll need it. Then the head height, I don't need this. The seal height, for the door I don't need the seal height. Orientation, I don't need this as well. Then for the width and height size, I will need this as well. Related zone number, I don't need this. Quantity, I need that. Library parts, I don't need this, so I'll simply come remove. Then for the element ID, I'll need this. This is the marker that I gave. For instance, the way I named my doors, so I'll need that. So if you want to add other fields, we may need to know the location of our door, and also maybe the description of the door. So I can come to add fields. I click on that, then click on general parameters. I'll need a 3D front view, so I'll add that. I hold on to control. So for the custom text, I'll need custom 1. For the description, custom 2. For the location, and I'll simply come here and add. So I've added those 3 fields. the 3D view, custom text 1, custom text 2. Then I'll simply come and say OK. I click on OK, so it is generating the schedule. So this is our schedule, as you can see. Here we have our doors. You can zoom to fit. Yeah, these are all the doors that we have. So I can come back here to percentage. I give 100. I'm going to rename the element ID. I'm going to rename this as door marker, door mark. Then for the quantity, I can leave that. Then I'll need this description to go up. I'll come back to the scheme settings. So you can move these ones according to how you want them to flow. So for the description, I'll move this after element ID. I'll need the description text, and then the quantity can come. Sorry, I will move the quantity, the second last, then the size, the 2D, then 3D. Let me move the 2D to be the third last. Then I'll say OK. So it will arrange according to the way I want. Then this will be my description. Then 3D view, that is okay. Then width, height, size, I can leave that as that. Then the quantity, maybe I can simply make this uppercase so that they rhyme with the rest. Quantity, then this will be the location. You can play around with the fonts if you want. The font type, you can select any, so they will be able to change. Let me choose the Arial one. Yeah, so we have something like that. Then I can align this to the left so that it matches all the rest. This is in bold. Can make this bold as well. Yeah, this is 2D, maybe symbol. I can caps this symbol. Then also this 3D view. Caps this. I'll make it bold. Then I align to the left. I hope this is aligned to the left. And then this one I also make it bold, aligned to the left. Yes. Then for the description, I'll need some space in between. So I can move this down. Let me first move this also down so that I create space up. Let me start with these ones. I move this also. So I'll keep moving this down so that I have enough space for the description. I reduce the size. Yeah, I think this is okay. This can be enough for the description. So this one is a single flash timber door. You can add other descriptions. You can talk about the top sash, which is glass infill. Then you do the rest for this as well. This is a double door with a satellite fixed glass, and also the top sash is also fixed. Then this is just a timber flash door. This is a metallic one, just like that. So for the descriptions, I won't do that. This one you do according to how you describe your door. For us to add the location for this one, if it is at the kitchen, you can simply come type in kitchen. Then if this one is at the bedrooms, you can do the same. So I will not complete that. You can simply feed this to page. You do that according to how you can describe your door, then the location. Yeah, so thank you for watching this episode, and I hope you learned something. Watch out for the next episodes, and please don't forget to subscribe to this YouTube channel for more tutorials, and at the same time to turn on your notifications for the daily updates. Thank you. Stay blessed.